Hi guys, Arthur here from Homeowner DIY. Guys, this is your quick tip of the week. When it comes to crescent wrenches, you have different sizes. So I have a 10 here, an 8 here, and then a 6 here. Now crescent wrenches, the reason they call it a crescent wrench is because Crescent was the first manufacturer. So that's what it says, Crescent here. Another example is channel lock pliers. Channel lock pliers were developed by Channel Lock first, so they called them channel lock pliers, also known as water pump pliers. But when it comes to crescent wrenches, whether you're professional or a DIYer, I think that you should have at least an 8-inch crescent wrench. 10, I don't think for a DIYer you need this, and then a smaller one like this is for tight spaces, but universally I'd say the 8 is probably the best suited all around. Now the pros on crescent wrenches is that they're adjustable. You can use them for a lot of different sizes. Just spin the whatever you want to call this thing, the screw, and then it'll adjust the size of the opening here. So they're universal. Great, fantastic. Now, the con of crescent wrenches is they're more likely to strip whatever you're working on. So if you're working on something that is brass and you don't adjust the jaws so they're tight, what you can do is you can strip your nut or whatever it is. And the other thing is, like with this one's wearing out. So here, the teeth are now starting to bind up. Now there's no load on this now, so it spins fairly easy, but these things will wear out as well. This one here specifically is almost 20 years old. It's a Jet brand. It's a good quality crescent wrench, but like with everything else, they do wear out. So in my personal opinion, I think having a crescent wrench for whether professional or a DIYer is a must. It will get you into or get you out of a lot of little situations, but I also don't think, for at least for a professional, just relying on a crescent wrench is the way to go. If you know you need a 5/8 box end open end wrench, then go grab the 5/8. The reason is a box end or open end wrench is less likely to strip. Crescent wrenches do have their place, but it's a bit of a balancing act between sockets, wrenches, and then a crescent wrench. So for DIYers, I would say the 8-inch is an all-around good size for DIYers. 10 you're probably not going to need, and then the 6 is for tighter spaces. But when it comes to crescent wrench, have at least one in your toolbox, and that should cover most situations for you. Guys, that is your quick tip of the week.